In this video, we will show you how to replace your combination switch on this Honda Accord. This will be located along the driver's side of your steering column. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Looking underneath the steering column, we're going to remove the steering column cover by removing several Phillips head screws. You'll find that you have one towards the driver's side. Making your way towards the passenger side, you'll find several others, and then one down here. We'll use our Phillips head screwdriver to remove each of these. There's that one. There should be one in here. There should be one right there. Ours are missing. Make our way across. One right up in here. There's another one. Now that we have those out, let's make our way over towards where that lock cylinder is. There's one hidden right up in this corner. Now we can take hold of the lever here and move this up and down as necessary and start removing this. Let's give that a quick inspection and we can set it aside. Now we can remove the upper housing cover here. Now that we have that out of the way, we can start disconnecting the electrical connector for our multifunction switch. If you were to look along the backside here, you're going to find an electrical connector. Along the top is a locking tab. Go ahead and depress that and pull this out of place. A quick inspection of that wiring connector for corrosion. Assuming that looks good, you can set it aside. Now, if you were to look along the steering wheel side of this, you're going to find two Phillips head screws. If you have a hard time gaining access to this, you could put the key in the on position and turn the steering wheel as needed. We've got one screw right down here and the next one's directly above it. Go ahead and remove the pair. At this point, we'll take hold of this and pull it towards the driver's side, away from the steering column. There it is, friend. Okay, let's prepare for installation of our brand new multifunction switch. We'll carefully take this and slide it into position. Press it in, listen for a click. We'll give it a light tug to make sure it's properly in there. Continue on with your two Phillips head screws. Start them in by hand, and then you can snug them up. Double check to make sure that's completely secured in place. Once you've done so, continue on to your electrical connector along the back side there. Just have to move this around a little bit, get it in place. Press it in, listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's secured in place. Now we can reinstall our steering column covers here. We'll start along the top. That should rest right into position. Once you have that on there, continue on down along the bottom trim panel there. When we go to put this in position, we want to make sure we slide it over the adjustment lever. Bring it right in there. It's like under this area. Now we can start putting the two covers together here. Just want to align them and press them in. Now as we start pressing this together, we'll continue on with our mounting screw in the corner here. Hold this all together. All right, that one started in as well. Now, as I mentioned, ours was missing several screws. You just want to make sure you start in each of them and then you can snug them up. Let me get this one in here. Just have to move this around as necessary. All right, let's snug them up. Press this together. Now there should be two up in here. Let's get this last one over here. Double check to make sure that's completely secure. Lock your steering column in the proper placement. Okay, friend, we finished the installation of our combination switch. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and test the functionality. We'll put the key in the on position and make sure everything functions as it should. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.